Hello, men. Greetings from Shiba Inu Crypto again. Shib news was reinforced by the surge in the price of Shiba Inu this month. Shiba Inu and NOWPayments, a top-tier crypto payment gateway, have made an exciting declaration about their desire to work together once more. To encourage the use of cryptocurrency payments, this collaboration will entail current payments built on Shiba Inu's blockchain Shibarium. This video will discuss the Shiba Inu price explosion this month, which was validated by today's Shib news. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent articles on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Payments recently revealed the intriguing information on its official Twitter account. Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer of Shiba Inu, responded positively to the company's application through the Shibarium intake form, opening the door for a successful partnership. Now that more exciting information about the collaboration will be announced shortly, Payments has reassured the Shiba Inu community and urged them to keep an eye out for updates. Shib support was implemented by NOWPayments on October 18, 2021. Since then, the top payment processor has consistently demonstrated its unwavering support for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The first cryptocurrency payment processor to offer a burn tool for Shib on its platform was NOWPayments. This feature enables business owners to donate a portion of their earnings for Shib burning, including Shore, Beloweli, and John Richmond, partners in Shiba Inu IRL. Additionally, NOWPayments and Switchery collaborated to offer Shib as a payment option to retailers, who could then exchange Shib for fiat. In a recent statement, the business stressed the many benefits of accepting payments in Shiba Inu, enticing NFT marketplaces to take the token as payment. Shibarium's beta testnet PuppyNet has grown significantly in the meantime. Within 3 weeks after its launch, it had processed more than 2.2 million transactions and had over 350,000 wallet addresses. The mainstream of Shiba Inu is expanding. Recently, BitPay and Zenny, a well-known blockchain-based B2B travel selling platform, teamed up to offer support for Shib. A debit card called the GateVis, issued by the Illinois-based cryptocurrency exchange Gate.io, will enable users to make frictionless purchases using Shiba Inu at any of the 80 million merchant locations that accept Visa. At the same time, Binance launched a cryptocurrency-focused prepaid card in Colombia, enabling citizens to pay for their goods and services with Shiba Inu. Additionally, to enable Shib payments at over 600 merchants in the area, Binance has partnered with CityPay, a leading cryptocurrency payment gateway with headquarters in Georgia. Top bin Faki, a developer of real estate in Bahrain, has teamed up with FinancePay to introduce support for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has become well-liked in the Bitcoin industry and keeps luring buyers. According to recent sources, there are already 1.28 million Shib owners, demonstrating a rising demand for the meme-inspired coin. The rise in Shib's popularity among the cryptocurrency community is responsible for the rise in holders. Shib's low value attracts many investors because it enables them to invest tiny amounts of money and potentially make big rewards if the coin's value increases. The number of Shib holders has steadily climbed during the last 4 days. The number of holders reached 1,000,285K on April 4th, up from 1,000,282K on March 3rd. Recent data shows that while the price of Shiba Inu has increased by 1.4% over the past 24 hours, the number of Shib holders has continuously remained around. It is currently being offered for sale for $98. However, the volume of Shibs traded, which was previously $112,970,980, has considerably fallen by 40.28%. This quick rise in the number of Shib owners shows how investors are becoming more and more interested in cryptocurrencies. A cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu was released in August 2020 as a subsidiary of Dogecoin. It has a Shiba Inu puppy as its mascot and has recently become more well-known because it is based on memes. But it's important to understand that buying cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, is extremely hazardous and volatile. There are several methods to make money using Shiba Inu. Purchasing SHIB tokens in the hopes that their value rises is one option. Through Bitcoin exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, this is possible. It is crucial to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies is very risky, and that token values can fluctuate quickly and erratically. Research is therefore essential, and you should only spend money that you can afford to lose. Buying goods or services with this well-known meme coin, Shiba Inu, is another way to make money with it. You can use your Shiba Inu tokens to make purchases if you have them because some merchants accept cryptocurrency as payment. Additionally, some businesses provide incentives in the form of cryptocurrencies for finishing surveys or referring new users to their platforms, among other acts or activities. In conclusion, it is feasible to make money using Shiba Inus. Additionally, keep in mind that there are additional ways to earn incentives in SHIB tokens, such as through finishing surveys or introducing people to platforms. Shiba Inu's price increased by 2% over the previous day to $0.1129 as the cryptocurrency market increased by 3.5%. Shib's price movement indicates that it has grown by 3% over the past week and by 6.5% over the last fortnight, with the meme token experiencing a 39% growth since the start of 2023. The surge today comes in response to the report that Twitter is now allowing Bitcoin trading on its network. The social investing platform already lists SHIB on its own website in collaboration with eToro. Additionally, Shiba Inu's native token may have multiple significant rallies in the upcoming months as a result of excitement surrounding the debuts of Shibarium and in the metaverse. With its relative strength index continuously going over 50 and beyond, SHIB's indicators point to potential for greater price gains over the weekend. SHIB's price just surged above both, and similarly, its 30-day moving average has started to rise over its 200-day average blue. The $0.113 resistance level is the main one here. In the coming days, SHIB can experience more concentrated gains if it can surpass this price. The fact that Twitter has started rolling out a stock and cryptocurrency trading function on its network in collaboration with eToro may aid increases. The social network and eToro will combine so that users of the site and app may view real-time Bitcoin pricing. Users will be able to trade cryptocurrency on Twitter at the same time using the eToro backend. SHIB could experience a rise in trading and, consequently, a rise in price given that it is one of the several cryptocurrencies that eToro now lists. The introduction of Layer 2 network Shibarium, which is scheduled for a complete public release in the coming weeks following the debut of its beta last month, will also assist the SHIB's costs. The Layer 2 network has handled over 3 million transactions thus far, according to the most recent statistics that is readily available, indicating the extent of the developers' testing and the potential popularity of the product once it is made available to the general public. Shibarium's official launchpad has also stated that it receives hundreds of applications from projects to launch apps on its network, which is encouraging and also raises the possibility that Layer 2 could contribute to an explosion in the scale of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It should be noted that Shibarium will result in a greater number of SHIBs being destroyed because its development team has confirmed that each transaction on Layer 2 will burn a fraction of its total value, even though the precise pace at which SHIBs will be burned hasn't been confirmed. This is highly positive for the meme token, and the market should anticipate a slow price increase over the next few months. Following the introduction of Shibarium, traders could anticipate that the coin's price, which is currently about $0.01129, will drop to $0.015, with a potential increase to 20 cents in the second half of 2023. Furthermore, if SHIB the Metaverse debuts in Shiba Inu by the end of 2023, the SHIB's price might even drop by the time 2024 arrives. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and channel buttons.